You are going to love the 2025 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, leather seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.